No matter how tough the solar PV industry is, we take it easy and fully focus on serving clients worldwide. Hello everyone, I'm Nancy. This time, I would like to share balcony solar PV system with you. Balcony solar PV system is very simple. We only need solar panel microinverter and balcony mounting system. It only needs one person to install the balcony solar system. After installation, just plug it into the power socket and it can be used normally. It can generate electricity normally and save a lot of electricity for family's use. Next time we will share with you some more interesting cases around the world. Welcome everyone to follow and like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.
Hey!